Oh, oops, I'm going. Well, yeah, they just took their pants off. Ooh. And they're out there in their underwear. I was smart enough to wear shorts. I don't know where Jenna is. She's somewhere over there. I'm too scared of dropping this. Yeah, they're in their underwear. Just take your panties off and pee.
No!
Or just pee through them and then take your panties off later.
Oh my gosh!